guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna make an unboxing of Gems Minion Edition, and it is limited and new edition. I'm gonna unbox it right now, and come on, let's get into the video. So guys, now we have the Gems surprise thing, so let's get it in, and it's a minion edition. Let's get it. It's so weird. Hardly packed, guys, and which we get here is literally awesome. Okay, so this is the starting pack. So you guys can see like a minion. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Look what we have here. Something like stuff like that. And gems stuff, and I'm gonna just unbox this right now. Caesar. So, and yeah, guys, just one Caesar right now. Yeah. Guys, I just want to Caesar in 5 minutes. Caesar, please.
You need some help, man.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Okay, do this. So guys, this is the Gems pack, as you guys can see right here, and yeah, this is for something stuff we can do. And yeah, we got it open. Thanks, bro. And now we are having this thing. So next, oh my gosh, take a screenshot of this bad boy, guys. Okay, design sound like something and all, and let's get it started. How do we? Whoa, it's like slightly. Let's check it out. So there is the things we need to do, like first, like enter this food right here. Oh gosh. Gotcha. So guys, now we are having the moral and the chocolate. That's for today's thing, and smash the like button, subscribe, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you later the next video. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will do a Q&A video, like literally like afterwards if comment comes more bigger. And yeah, say hello to this guy. Okay, so yeah, peace.